How does the midnight sun vary across different Arctic regions? If you've ever wondered what it's like to experience the midnight sun, you're about to find out how this phenomenon varies across different Arctic regions. Let's start by understanding what the midnight sun is and how it changes as you move further north. The midnight sun is a natural phenomenon where the sun remains visible at midnight, occurring in places north of the Arctic Circle or south of the Antarctic Circle. This happens around the summer solstice, when the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, keeping the sun above the horizon for 24 hours. In regions like Norway, Finland, and parts of Canada, the midnight sun is a common occurrence during the summer months. For example, in Svalbard, Norway, which is one of the northernmost inhabited places in Europe, the sun does not set from approximately 19th of April to 23rd of August. This means the locals enjoy over 4 months of continuous sunlight. As you move closer to the North Pole, the duration of the midnight sun increases. In Murmansk, Russia, the largest city north of the Arctic Circle, the midnight sun lasts from 22nd of May to 22nd of July, which is about 62 days. In contrast, Finland's northernmost point experiences the midnight sun for 72 days during the summer. The further north you go, the longer the period of continuous daylight. At the North Pole itself, the sun can be visible for about 6 months from late March to late September. This is because the Earth's tilt keeps the North Pole facing the sun for half the year. In areas slightly south of the Arctic Circle, like Iceland, the midnight sun can still be experienced, although the duration is shorter. For instance, in northern Iceland, you might see the midnight sun for just a couple of weeks in June. The appearance of the midnight sun also varies. Closer to the North Pole, the sun remains high in the sky even at midnight, providing bright daylight. Further south in the Arctic Circle, the sun may appear more like a burning sunset in the middle of the night, but it never dips below the horizon. Places like Alert, Nunavut, experience a unique combination of the midnight sun and polar night effects. Here, during the day, it reaches civil twilight, and at night, it only reaches astronomical twilight, meaning it doesn't get entirely dark. In summary, the midnight sun varies significantly across Arctic regions. The closer you are to the North Pole, the longer and brighter the period of continuous daylight. Whether you're in Norway, Finland, or other Arctic territories, the experience of the midnight sun is a unique and breathtaking phenomenon that changes with latitude.